Wikidonis.com. Truth about tooth.
Smile designing is what we have been talking about. We have spoken about different types of treatments for different problems, and today I have promised that I will speak about discolored teeth. Discolored teeth can be of different types. Maybe a generalized discoloration. You might have thinking about yellow teeth. Most of the people come to the clinic and say that I'd like to have a brighter teeth. That is actually done using a whitening or a bleaching options. So, sometimes it is called as bleaching, sometimes it is called as whitening. There are different types of whitening, that is laser whitening, there are chemical whitening and things like that. Most of the time what it uses is actually a hydrogen peroxide like material or a peroxide material, so that you make pores on the tooth and then you put the nascent oxygen through this thing, so that it becomes whiter and brighter. That is in case where you have discoloration which is general, or your teeth is already yellow in color or a little bit gray in color. Then we can correct it to a whiter or a brighter shade by using bleaching or whitening or laser whitening and things like that. This is the most common thing in dentistry, which comes often. Then the second reason is a single tooth which is discolored. Most of the time a single tooth which is discolored, the most common one is a caries. If you have a carious tooth or a decayed tooth somewhere, it will look a little more darker, or some part of it may look darker or a brownish color. This can be corrected by just doing an aesthetic filling. What is an aesthetic filling? Before, we used to use silver amalgam fillings or a silver colored metal fillings was used. Even if you use a metal filling, what happens is the shade will come, even if it is not on the front itself, even if it is in the back, the shade will come through the tooth and it may look gray in color. So, now what we use is a nanoceramic filling material or a composite filling material, so that the color of the tooth is actually mimicked. Even if it comes to the front, it looks as though it is just like the normal teeth itself. So, the second reason is actually caries itself, giving you a dark or a brown or a grayish color because of the decay which is happening in the tooth. The third reason is a hit to the tooth. Most of the time, as I told in the previous video, we have talked about broken teeth. If a broken teeth is not mended, or even if it is mended, and if there is an impact that happened and the tooth got dead, or because there is concussion inside because the nerves and vessels are damaged, then the tooth becomes darker in shade. If that is the case, there are different ways to treat it. How do we treat it? One is to do a root canal and then do a walking bleach, or you keep chemical material inside, so that the tooth will become brighter and brighter over time in a matter of weeks. So we do a root canal treatment and we will keep some type of chemical material inside, and then we close this thing so that it becomes whiter. And basically what happens in when it gets hit or when it is root canal treated, sometimes it becomes darker just because the blood which is there inside the tooth it is actually having iron parts to it, or ferritin, or we have hemoglobin and things like that, which has so much of iron in it. So what happens is the ferrous compounds gets into the tooth and then it becomes rusted or it becomes oxidized, and then what happens is, the rust is actually brown in color. The same brown color is spread all across the tooth. So we'll give some chemical methods so that the oxidization will be changed and the color is made much more whiter. In some cases, we cannot do a whitening cannot be done through walking bleach and things like that. So what we do is actually a veneer or a crown. I have been talking about veneers and crowns. Even in discolored teeth, we can use a veneer or a crown, which can actually shave off some teeth, so that a correct colored tooth or a veneer or a crown or a covering for the tooth is done in the correct shade which is actually matched to it. When I talk about this in an anterior area, in the front area, you cannot go for a metal based crown to correct the tooth, because it will once again give a different color, especially when you are standing in front of a bright light like a video light, or if you are a celebrity, if you are going to other thing, you cannot have a metal ceramic crown in front and expect the color to be very good. Or if you are going to a discotheque, most of the time people go to a discotheque and then they show up the tooth which is actually crowned. So if you are a celebrity, if you are going to a place where you have lots of bright lights, if you are a photographic freak and things like that, please make sure that you do a metal free translucent crown for your tooth. But even if you are doing a translucent teeth, if your stump is very dark, then you will have to have an opaque. So all these things has to be, it's very tricky to correct one tooth which is actually discolored. So please make sure that your dentist is an aesthetic expert so that you can get a much better one. So discolored teeth can be corrected in all these ways. You should find out whether it is generalized, whether it is because of an impact, whether it is because there is a caries, and then treat the tooth accordingly. So these are the general ways to correct it. The worst of it is actually using pan or having tobacco and stains and things like that, which are extrinsic in nature. The stains which are extrinsic in nature can be removed by just polishing and cleaning the tooth itself, or even stain which is inside, like tetracycline stains, fluoride stains, all these things can be corrected by using veneers and crowns, which I have been talking about. What is a fluoridated this? There are places wherein some teeth has white spots on the teeth, some areas will be much more whiter than that. There are the fluorosis cases, we have brown to or grey stains on the tooth. There are areas where the texture of the tooth is actually mottled, or you have small dots on the tooth. All these can be corrected with using composite veneers, direct veneers, or actually crowns itself. So all these things can be corrected. So don't worry about your discolored teeth. Please make sure that you come and consult a very good dentist so that you can get a very good proper colored teeth which are uniform in nature, and it will also give you a better, brighter smile. So keep on watching. Please subscribe my channel so that you will understand much more about dentistry and things like that. So I will try to give you all in concise first, and then go in detail about each and every thing, and then we will talk about the failures, the difficulties, what all, how many appointments and things like that. If you have any questions or queries, please make sure that you put it on the comments, and please share this video so that even others can be helped by this video. Thank you very much. Dr. Thomas Nechupadam from Nechupadam Dental in Kerala.
Wikidonist.com